Hi cuties! This is Charisma from Popnicute.com. Today I'm going to show you how to convert this long necklace into a short one. Sometimes we already have like a long necklace, but it's like, it might look good short too, but you don't have the means to convert it. So this is where my new invention came in. Ta-da! These are the Magical S-Clasp Necklace Converter. These clasps are completely handmade, so the length is somewhat approximate, but you could add about 2.5 or 2 3/4 length to any necklace. For this one, I particularly already added bigger links right in the middle strategically in the purpose of converting it to a short necklace. Basically, you divided the necklace in two and you will wear it like layered, like so. You can choose anywhere in between these 9 links, left and right, so you can get various lengths. I hook it up in the middle. So you want to pick one in the middle as well. And basically hook it to the other side and ta-da! You will get a short necklace. Okay, there you go. Now you get a nice layered look. Because this is my creation, I had the luxury to add the bigger links, right? But what if you already have a necklace that doesn't have that kind of a special setup? It's another long necklace but doesn't have anything in the middle. Fold the necklace in two, hook it up from the other side, and then just mark it where you want it to be hooked on. Let's try it. There you go. And then you can just kind of like pull it to adjust the length. So that's pretty cool, right? Now let's try it on a different one. What if you already have a beaded necklace? So I have this rosary that sometimes I like to wear because it's crystal, it's bling bling, and it's nice, and it's really long, it's kind of cool looking. But what if I want to wear it short? Same concept as before. Basically, I just divide it in two and select where I want to insert the hook, and now you have a short rosary to wear. Pretty cool? Pretty cool? Try it one more on one last necklace. So it's nice long, but maybe I want to wear it short. It has a clasp, but you know, that's fine too, because the clasp is pretty, so you can wear it on the front and it still look pretty. So I pick somewhere in the middle, fold it, hook it up on the back, adjust it a little bit, make sure everything is okay, and ta-da! Short necklace. I hope that is useful. I will make a special listing for this S-Clasp, so you can purchase it separately on the website as an add-on. There goes my special demo for today. I hope you enjoyed it.